welcome to the C# beginning tutorial. In this tutorial we discuss what is the operators and what is the punctuators. So let's begin with the work. Basically, first we discuss the relational operators. Relational operators like relational operators like less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and first we discuss these operators. Before we discuss the operators, we should know about the if and else. What is if and else? If we want to take some decision in our program, then we use the if and else. For example, if I say that let's integer a is equal to 20, and I say that if a greater than 10, then do this work, like a console dot writeline basically it print the hello. Why it print the hello? Because here a is a 20, and I say that if a is greater than 20, then print this. Basically this is the relational operator which tell them if a is greater than 20, then do this work. If a is not greater than 10, we all know that this statement going to the false, then what happen? Nothing is display, because this statement not to be a true. So if do the thing which is going to be a true, then I can put another statement else. What else do? If going to the false, then else executed. For example, console dot writeline above value is false. So you can see that above value is a false, because if going to the false, then this statement, this curly brackets define the if area. If value exists in this parenthesis, and after this else executed. If our condition is true, for example 10, then if executed, nor else. Basically I want to say that if this is true, then do this. If this is false, then do this. This is the some concept of a if. I can nest the if statement and else statement with the if and both else. For example, I say that int b is equal to 20, and I say that if a is greater than 10 and if b is less than 40, then do this. Else console dot writeline only a greater than 20. So what happened in this program? It check if a greater than 10, see, then it further check if b less than 40, then it execute the console.writeline and ignore this else and this else. If first see the output, it print the hello, mean these both statement is true. If I false this statement, then what happen? It print only a is greater than 20. But if I false these both statement, then above value is false, mean this else is printed. So you can nest the if else each time, anytime, and which length you want. You can nest the multiple if. But another thing which you can do in your program, like print if a is greater than 10, then console dot write line, sorry, console dot write line, do this. If a is greater than 10, then do this. Basically we all know that a is not greater than 10, so yes, a is greater than 10. So what is print? First print above value is false, then do this, because this condition is going to be a false. Then it execute. I can do like that, else if with the multiple statement, any statement which I want, else if a less than 20 or anything. So this type, through if and else, you can make the decision in your program. In this tutorial we discussed the some relational operator, less than, greater than, and one operator I can also want to discuss, if a basically is equal to, this is represent is equal to. In a C sharp, a is equal to mean the assignment, you want to assign some value to another variable. But this mean the equal to, you say that if a is equal to 20, which is true, we all know that, then console dot write line and display true, true, true. So there is the output true. If I say that a is equal to 10, which is false, we all know that, then look at that, no output on the screen of this if statement. So this is the some concept of a if and else, and we further use in our program. So practice these concepts, and we will meet inshallah in the next tutorial. So bye bye.